Kannada to English Daily Use Sentences. First one. ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ತಟ್ಟಿತು. What you said really touched my heart. What you said really touched my heart. ಅವನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವನಂತೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ. He looks like a good person from outside. He looks like a good person from outside. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸಂತೋಷಪಡಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. I cannot always make everyone happy. I cannot always make everyone happy. ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಮಯ ತಗೋ, ಬೇಗ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. Take your time. Do not make a quick decision. Take your time. Do not make a quick decision. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಾಯಿತು. I trusted you and that became my mistake. I trusted you and that became my mistake. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I am losing confidence in myself. I am losing confidence in myself. ನೀನು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. I can understand your feelings just by the way you talk. I can understand your feelings just by the way you talk. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಈ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I did not expect this mistake from you. I did not expect this mistake from you. ನೀನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. I feel what you said is right. I feel what you said is right. ನನಗೆ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದೆ. I am a little confused about this matter. I am a little confused about this matter. Thank you.